और एक केंद्रीय मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह इस वक्त क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, सुन लेते हैं एक बार।
In an atmosphere of comradeship like a family, and that's how we have been able to achieve quite a milestones. दूसरा, जैसे रचना जी ने बताया कि प्रधानमंत्री बनते ही मोदी जी ने मंत्र दिया मैक्सिमम गवर्नेंस मिनिमम गवर्नमेंट, और साथ ही साथ जो उनका पहला भाषण हुआ था, जो उस समय पत्रकार थे संसद में मौजूद, जब आते ही उन्होंने संविधान को वंदन किया और पहला भाषण था जिसमें हम सब बैठे हुए थे, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि मेरी सरकार गरीब को समर्पित। सो दोज हु बीन लेफ्ट आउट, deprived or did not get their due. And in the governance also we have tried to follow this basic mantra. So therefore, the second category, as I said, the first category was doing away with rules, and there are plenty of them. If I start narrating them, you would even feel amused. There was, for example, a rule where if the toilet was not cleaned in time in the morning, the concerned attendant could be put behind the bars. Because it's not directly with the DOPT, but some other department. Now, that rule must have come into force about 200 years back or 150 years back, where you didn't have the modern sanitary modes of disposal. And of course, it would have created nuisance. आज उसका कोई relevance नहीं था. The second category of the initiatives, most of these initiatives carried a message beyond governance, a message loud, clear, and also laid the foundation of a narrative for posterity. One of them, of course, same as I said, attestation को दूर करना, set out a narrative, set out a message. Interview was second. Third, as Rachna ji was mentioning, the Prevention of Corruption Act. अक्सर ये शिकायत आया करती थी that if an officer in the due course of his discharge of duties possibly handed over a contract to a certain person, others would file a complaint against him in the anti-corruption cell. The result was that it would kill the initiative of even the well-performing officers. So that was done away with, and a huge change was made by introducing the clause that the bribe giver would be equally culpable under